Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to turn Notion pages into your personal portfolio. So let's get started with the video. So basically, this is the Notion login. Once you have logged into the Notion, here at the left side, you will see an option of Add New. Basically, you need to click on this Add New, and here you can type personal portfolio. You can also create your personal portfolio basically by creating on blank page. I would suggest you to go with AI. It will give you a better texture to your portfolio. It will take few seconds to generate it. So basically here you can customize your personal portfolio as well. As you can see, if you want to add any kind of details here, for example collaborators, so you can just click on this. If you want to remove anything, you can just remove this type. As many as if you want to add or make any changes, you can just write add a thing over here. For example, the link is already there. You can add the images there. You can showcase your images there, your profile basically, what's the client company you worked for, what's the date completed, how many collaborators were there, what lesson learned. It totally depends on you. If you want to add anything, you can just write it and add it over here. For example, I've written skills. You can just click on this arrow. It will also create a column for skills basically. It will again take few seconds. So now as you can see, there is a column for skills as well. The next thing you need to do is click on continue. Post that if you want to, you can, it's just customization you can do according to your wish. You want to add timeline or any other thing. Post that, just click on done. So once it's been done, what you can do, if you want to customize it, you can click on this customize icon and customize it according to your need. If you want to add any additional colors, if you want to see the layouts, filter, you can choose it according to your need. If you want it in a chart form, as you can see, it's in chart form. If you want it in a gallery form, it's in gallery form. It totally depends on you how you want to add it. Now, once you have done all this, what you can do once you have created this, the next thing which can be done is you will see a share option at upper right corner. Click on the share option and here just give the access to only people invited, everyone or anyone with the link. You can give anyone with the link and click on this copy link. So basically, when you have clicked on copy link, you can share this link to anybody. This is your personal portfolio that anybody can view if you have selected to anybody. So you can see when you enter the link in a new tab or in any browser, you will see the personal portfolio which you have created will come. So this is how you can change the Notion pages into your personal portfolio. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.